Engineers and artists alike are experimenting with artificial intelligence to see what kind of imagery, stories, poetry, and music machines can generate, with, for now at least, a little input from humans. Companies like Sony and Google are testing the handiwork of AI-generated music. For this track called Daddy's Car, engineers at Sony's Computer Science Laboratory developed an AI called Flow Machines to create music in the style of the Beatles. After feeding sheet music into the algorithm to teach the AI, machines generated the melody and harmony. Maybe you won't find it on iTunes anytime soon. Researchers say it's a decent proof of concept of how AI can generate a tune, but humans have to contribute the lyrics. So the likelihood of an entirely machine-made commercial hit is, for now, just a pipe dream. In June, Alphabet's Google introduced Magenta, another initiative exploring whether machine learning can be used to create music.
Making music using code isn't a new thing at all, but machine learning gives us a different way to go about it.
Here's a look at one application. Musician Yotam Mann and others used open-source tools like TensorFlow and Tone.js to build the AI for the project. When notes are played on a keyboard, the computer plays back a melody of its own, in a call-and-response style duet. AI is also influencing the gaming world. Mike Cook, a computational creativity researcher in the UK, is developing software called Angelina to test whether AIs can develop games on their own. Angelina scans newspaper articles for themes. Whether a story mentions the names of politicians or celebrities, a violent incident, or an issue such as environmental conservation, it then selects related images and sound effects from its database and from around the web to create a game atmosphere to match. Angelina can also create more visually complex 3D games based on descriptions or phrases. This game, called To That Sect, is a pun on the phrase to that effect. The objective of To That Sect is to collect these floating ship objects while avoiding these lethal objects Angelina calls tombs. So far, Angelina's games lack the sophisticated storylines of many popular video games today. Most are driven by an objective like navigating a maze. But in the future, Angelina's creator, Mike Cook, says,
it would be interesting if Angelina could add some kind of narrative to these games that conveys something.
AI is becoming part of the toolbox for designers and filmmakers as well. Adobe's Wetbrush, for example, brings the texture, look, and feel of analog painting to the digital realm. The program uses algorithms that simulate brushstrokes and the way liquid paint is distributed by different painting techniques. Boutique Joshi, research engineer for Adobe, used an AI algorithm to apply a cubist painterly effect similar to Pablo Picasso's to the film 2001: A Space Odyssey. Back at Sony's Computer Music Lab, musicians and composers are embracing artificial intelligence as a means to enhance their creativity. In October, a handful of artists performed their AI-composed tunes at a concert in Paris. And recently, Daddy's Car was named a semi-finalist in an international songwriting competition.